In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the trash in Gmail. This is a simple but important housekeeping task that helps keep your inbox organized and can free up storage space in your Google account. Remember, messages in trash are automatically removed after about 30 days, but if you want them gone right now, emptying the trash does it instantly and permanently. First, open Gmail in your web browser on your computer or laptop. Any modern browser will work. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to the account you want to clean up. Once Gmail loads, you'll see your inbox and the familiar sidebar on the left that lists your labels and folders. Next, look to that left sidebar and scroll if needed. Click the word More to expand the menu and reveal additional labels. In that expanded list, find and select Trash. Depending on your region, you might see it labeled as Bin instead of Trash. It's the same place where deleted emails go. When you click it, Gmail will open the trash folder so you can review what's inside before you remove anything permanently. At the top of the trash message list, you'll notice a link that says Empty Trash Now. Click that link to tell Gmail you want to permanently delete everything currently in trash. If you don't see the link, it usually means your trash is already empty, or you might need to scroll to the top of the message list to reveal it. Also, if there are just a few messages, this option still applies to all of them at once. When you click Empty Trash Now, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is Gmail's way of double-checking because the action cannot be undone. If you're sure you no longer need any of those messages, click OK to confirm. Gmail will then permanently delete every email in the trash. This might take a moment if there are a lot of messages, but when it's finished, the folder will be empty. Before you empty the trash, it's always smart to take a quick glance through the list. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar while you're viewing trash to find it by sender, subject, or keyword. Once you've confirmed there's nothing important, go ahead with the emptying process. And that's it. You've opened Gmail, navigated to the trash, chosen Empty Trash Now, and confirmed the action. You've cleaned up your mailbox in just a few clicks, and your account is tidier and possibly a bit lighter on storage.